here from off the road, as you can see here. Hello, I'm Dudley Thompson, and welcome again to WDT Media TV, giving Jamaicans back home a first-hand look at snow in the US. Follow me on this journey. This is actually little snow now, snowing here in America. When you hear Jamaicans, when you hear the Americans overseas saying that when it's snow, rain or storm, you have to go to work. Wow, well, on my way to work, and look at the snow. Look at the road. It's now after midnight, and it's snowing here. Look at the sidewalk. You can see they're covered in snow. Look at the sidewalk. You can see there, all covered in snow. About 6 to 8 inches of snow. You can see on the outside here, you can see here, all snow. On the road, look at the road covered in snow. Just look at the snow. Someone's bicycle covered in snow. Here's the snow mountain, about 7 feet in height. One of many. A second one here. Snow mountains here. Was cleared from the roadway. These are actually the snow mountains. And again, this is the roadway and the sidewalk. Covered in snow. You're watching WDT Media TV. Look at the snow along the side of the highway. Just stay home, man. signs here, all covered in snow. And the stop sign. Just how thick the snow is. It's beginning to fall again. Wow, that's snow anyway. So I'm Dudley Thompson, and again, please like, share, and subscribe. And as usual, thanks for watching.